this video we're going to show how to do decaling. And decaling is used when you want to laminate and mount a print that doesn't have adhesive on the back of it already. A couple examples would be photographs or engineering drawings. Anything that's not printed on an adhesive back material allows you a way to apply adhesive to the back of the print. And if you want to mount that, usually it would take 3 steps where you coat a piece of substrate with adhesive, put the print on, and then laminate it. Actually doing decaling eliminates a step in there. So what we've got here is we've got the laminate already loaded up on the top, and in this case we're using 38-inch material. And then we're just going to get the mounting adhesive going. The mounting adhesive on the bottom roll here is going to come up, goes in front of the idler. All the other substrates that aren't already adhesive go behind the idler. And then we're just going to simply move this up and insert it into the nip. Now this material can be a little bit tricky to work with because it's already sticky, but with a little practice you can learn how to manage it. So once we get that up into the nip, we can lower the pressure down. And when you set the pressure, you just want to go a little bit past where it stops. And then we're going to go to the back side of the machine and get this feeding. We've brought our foot pedal to the back of the machine and we turned off the rewinder because we're not going to use it in this case. And then we're just going to lift the laminate where we had it tacked down to the table here, press the foot pedal, and start feeding this through. Once the sticky part clears the back of the machine, you can simply just cut off the excess here. Okay, we've come back around the front, and what we're going to do is just check and make sure everything's going smoothly. If you do have excessive amount of wrinkles in your mounting adhesive, you can either cut it off and start over again, or one trick that we use is to open up the nip a little bit and then get a threading board. And a threading board really doesn't have to be anything fancy. It can be a piece of scrap material, or in this case it's the side of the cardboard box that the material came in, and you just push that through the nip, and that will help clear out any wrinkles that you might have. And once that board passes all the way through, you'll have to make your pressure adjustment again, bring the rolls down to where they touch, plus just a little extra. And that should clear out any wrinkles that you have in the mounting adhesive. Now we're ready to feed the prints through. So I'm just going to take this print here, get ready to go in, and then I'm going to get the machine rolling first. Rather than putting the print in and then turning the machine on, it will actually come out better and avoid wrinkles that way. I'm just going to feed that in, and I'll put the press roll down on it, and we'll just feed as many prints as we have that we want to decal, one right after the other. So when your prints come out of the back of the machine, you can see where we put the threading board through here. They're going to have laminate on the front and mounting adhesive on the back, and they'll be ready to mount to your favorite substrate.